So in the last couple of videos, we've been talking about what happens when our sample size is really, really small. In this video, we're going to be talking about the census, which is when your sample size is really, really big. So let's get started. So let's break down what a census is specifically. A census is a sample that is also your entire population. Now, it is generally difficult to conduct a census because typically your population is relatively large. So whether it be your school, whether it be a city, whether it be a state, country, or the entire world, typically the census is really, really difficult to conduct. In the next video, we're going to be talking about the census in a little bit more details through some examples. So I'll see you guys then. You just watched a video from More Learning. We provide free math videos and we offer many online courses. We also provide free math tutoring via YouTube Live every Thursday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to get access to all of our free content. And put a comment in the comment section if you have any math questions. Check out all of our courses on amorelearning.org.